Welcome to SwissCoinHelp.com. Be ready for maximum profit with low investment. The principle of Swiss Coin Help is simple. Help needy people if you can, and someday you will be helped as well. Swiss Coin Help is a volunteer-operated platform. This is a non-profit organization based on values of mutual sharing without any expectation of return. Swiss Coin Help is started by the people for the people, and we are bringing an innovative way to help people. Swiss Coin Help is not just an opportunity to help others, but it is a movement to bring out people from financial crisis. Swiss Coin Help accepts only Swiss coin for transactions. Swiss coin is known as the new era of cryptocurrency. The biggest advantage of Swiss coin is its low cost, high speed, and complete freedom when it comes to transactions. Till today, the growth of Swiss coin happens multiple times. Today, the value of Swiss coin is very low, and in future, it is predicted that it will grow to be better than Bitcoin. We assure you good returns for your investment. Swiss Coin believes in helping needy people. Next time you need any financial help, we are always there to help you. Connect with Swiss Coin Help to become part of helping movement.